Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DEWALT 60V Max Circular Saw, DCS520B, is a high-performance cordless track saw engineered for precise and efficient cutting, catering to professionals and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. As part of DEWALT's FlexVolt system, it utilizes a 60V Max battery, sold separately, offering reliable power for demanding applications. Its 6.5-inch blade ensures smooth, splinter-free cuts in wood, plywood, and other materials. Key features include a zero-clearance track system that minimizes material movement, ensuring accurate, straight cuts. The saw also supports bevel adjustments for cutting angles between 47 degrees and 90 degrees, adding versatility for diverse projects. Its constant speed motor and variable speed dial allow users to adjust blade speed based on the material for optimal results. Safety and usability are prioritized with features like an anti-kickback mechanism to prevent the saw from moving backward on the track, reducing accident risks. Additionally, a built-in dust collection port compatible with DEWALT dust extractors helps maintain a clean workspace and enhances visibility. This tool-only model excludes batteries and a charger, making it a budget-friendly option for those already invested in the FlexVolt ecosystem. The saw's durable construction and ergonomic design ensure comfort and longevity, even during extended use. Ideal for professionals handling cabinetry, flooring, and finish carpentry, as well as precision-focused DIYers, the DCS520B combines power, accuracy, and convenience. While its price and separate battery purchase may be a drawback for occasional users, it remains a valuable addition to DEWALT's cordless tool lineup. Number 2. The Makita XPS01Z 6.5-inch Plunge circular saw is a precision-engineered tool designed to deliver professional-grade cutting performance. Its plunge cut mechanism allows for accurate cuts starting anywhere on the material, making it a top choice for finish carpentry, cabinetry, and woodworking projects. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, the saw achieves a no-load speed of up to 5,200 RPM, ensuring smooth, clean cuts through materials like hardwood, plywood, and MDF. A variable speed control dial provides the flexibility to adjust the speed for optimal cutting performance based on the material. The saw's bevel range extends from -1 degree to 48 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, offering versatility for angled cuts. Its 6.5-inch blade delivers a maximum cutting depth of 2 3/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 9/16 inches at 45 degrees. When used with an optional guide rail system, sold separately, the XPS01Z ensures precise, straight, and splinter-free cuts. Safety and convenience are prioritized with features like a built-in depth stop for scoring cuts at 1/16 inch depth and a soft start motor for smooth operation. The electric brake enhances safety by stopping the blade quickly after releasing the trigger. For efficient dust management, the saw includes a dust extraction port, which improves visibility and helps maintain a clean workspace. It comes housed in a durable Makita stackable case for easy storage and transport. The Makita XPS01Z is an excellent choice for professionals and skilled DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and versatility in their cutting tasks. While it lacks the convenience of cordless operation, its powerful performance and compatibility with Makita's guide rails make it a standout tool for detailed, accurate cutting. Number 3. The Metabo HPTC7UR Circular Saw Kit is a high-performance cutting tool designed for power and precision. Featuring a 7.25-inch blade and a no-load speed of 6,800 RPM, it delivers fast, smooth cuts through wood, plywood, and other materials, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. One of its standout features is the dust blower function, which keeps the cutting line clear of debris for improved visibility and reduced cleanup. This ensures efficiency and precision, especially during long cuts, by minimizing interruptions. With a cutting depth of 2.5 inches at 90 degrees, the saw handles thicker materials with ease. Its bevel capacity adjusts up to 55 degrees, providing versatility for angled cuts across various project types. The easy-to-read bevel adjustment scale allows for quick and accurate angle settings. Built for durability and comfort, the C7UR combines a lightweight design with robust construction to reduce user fatigue during extended tasks. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, while the aluminum baseplate enhances stability and ensures smooth operation. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the saw offers peace of mind with its reliable performance and quality. The kit includes all necessary accessories for immediate use, making it a practical and cost-effective solution for demanding projects. The Metabo HPTC7UR circular saw kit stands out as a powerful, precise, and user-friendly tool. Its combination of speed, versatility, and convenience makes it a reliable choice for a wide range of cutting tasks, ideal for both experts and DIY users. Number 4. The Makita XPS01Z 36V, 18VX2, LXT brushless 6.1/2 plunge circular saw is a cordless, high-performance tool built for precision cutting in woodworking, cabinetry, and other demanding tasks. Powered by two 18V LXT batteries for a total of 36V, it delivers excellent cutting power and runtime without the restrictions of a cord, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who value mobility and efficiency on the job. Featuring a brushless motor, the XPS01Z offers longer runtime, improved efficiency, and extended tool life compared to brushed models. It provides a maximum cutting depth of 2¼ inches at 90 degrees and a bevel adjustment range of up to 48 degrees, allowing for precise straight and angled cuts. The plunge cut mechanism ensures clean, accurate cuts starting anywhere on the material, including the middle of a workpiece. For enhanced convenience, the saw includes a dust port compatible with vacuum systems for efficient dust collection, maintaining a cleaner workspace and better visibility during operation. The adjustable depth control adds versatility, enabling quick and precise settings for different cutting applications. Designed with user comfort in mind, the XPS01Z features an ergonomic, rubberized grip to reduce hand fatigue and a lightweight build for easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. It is also compatible with Makita's optional guide rail system, which ensures straight and accurate cuts. This tool-only model does not include batteries or a charger, making it a cost-effective option for users already invested in the Makita LXT platform. With its powerful brushless motor, advanced features, and cordless convenience, the Makita XPS01Z is a reliable choice for professionals who demand precision, portability, and performance in a circular saw. Number 5. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a highly versatile and powerful cutting tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a 7¼ inch TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade, it is capable of cutting through a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. Its high-torque motor ensures smooth and efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for tackling diverse projects without the need to switch tools. A key feature of the R185 CCSX is the included 40-inch track, which provides straight and precise cuts with ease. This track system minimizes the need for extensive measuring and marking, reducing material waste and enhancing accuracy. It is especially effective for creating clean, splinter-free cuts in wood and plastic. The saw aligns seamlessly with the track, ensuring smooth operation and eliminating the risk of veering off course. The adjustable cutting depth and bevel capacity of up to 45 degrees add versatility, making the saw suitable for various applications, such as angled and plunge cuts. Its dust extraction port connects to a vacuum system, keeping the workspace clean and improving visibility during operation. Designed with user comfort in mind, the R185 CCSX features an ergonomic handle to reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Its lightweight construction enhances maneuverability, making it easy to handle across different cutting scenarios. This complete kit includes the saw, a TCT blade, and the 40-inch track, providing a comprehensive solution for multi-material cutting tasks. Whether you're working on woodworking, metalworking, or plastic projects, the Evolution R185 CCSX offers the power, precision, and versatility needed for exceptional results.